I'm curious too. Yeah. All right, let's switch gears here. I want to take you guys back outside right now over towards Port Canaveral. Great looking shot there of a very warm and a good beach day there. They had a couple of showers over towards Cocoa Beach a short while ago. It did knock the temperatures down a little bit, but notice the readings here back through the interior. We fell to the mid-70s when the rain came through. Now we've shot right back up into the mid and the upper 80s. And we have a line of showers and thunderstorms pushing through the eastern Gulf at this hour. Not as impressive looking as earlier, but there's still a little bit of oomph with it. And we're going to have to watch this. I like the trend here. I still think there could be a couple of gusty winds. We've had a lot of wind out there today, so it won't take very much to get a wind gust of 40 miles an hour as it comes in off the Gulf. And look at this little flare up now up towards Marineland and Palm Coast. We'll get in a little bit closer there. You can see A1A, US 1 over towards Bunnell. Quick little heavy downpour. A few showers popping up on the north side of New Smyrna Beach. A couple showers here just north of Titusville, and a heavy downpour right now right over towards Port Canaveral. These will be off the coast here very, very quickly. Off towards the south and the west turnpike at this hour is in much better shape. So as this energy departs, new energy will arrive off of the Gulf tonight, and then that will bring us a couple rounds of rain. Best chance for some stronger thunderstorms will be north and west of the I-4 corridor. 12-hour forecast now will keep that yellow impact icon on there. Combination of the rain, the wind, and even a couple of thunderstorms could make traveling or outdoor activities a bit on the tricky side this evening. Behind it, temperatures will be a little bit cooler out the door, falling back into the mid and the upper 50s up north. Mid 60s here, middle upper 60s on into coastal Brevard County. There's a setup for tonight and tomorrow. Again, the theme, showers in the morning, clearing during the afternoon down south, but certainly a whole lot cooler. In fact, when you take a look at the rain chances, look how they diminish from north to south throughout the course of the afternoon. Look at these highs for a change below normal. Mid 70s here in many areas, low 70s, in fact, up at the coastal Flagler County. 12-hour forecast for Ocala will peak at about 76 degrees. Back towards Melbourne, clouds and showers hanging a long time tomorrow compared to our northern communities, which will clear on out. And then Wednesday on into Thursday, there's your little wraparound, little disturbance here, throwing back a few showers as we get you into Thursday. Front does arrive on Friday. That'll give us the chance for a couple more showers, but more importantly now, look at these temperatures. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 75 to 80, perfect. And then with front number 2 coming on through, that'll keep our temperatures in the 70s with lows that will be in the 50s and low 60s. So Saturday and Sunday look absolutely spectacular. Hope you have the chance to get out there and enjoy putting it all together one more time. 70s Tuesday and Wednesday, 70s again Saturday and Sunday.